You can get paid online by just giving your opinion about different products and services. I will share with you different sources that pay you in PayPal money for doing so. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial so you can get the desired results. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So I'm going to get you notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. With that said, I'm going to start right now with this video so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple sources, so stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. The very first one is called LifePoints, and I'm over their official website, lifepointspanel.com. As you can see, you can get paid by doing some free paid surveys and get rewards. So you're going to give some opinions about different products and services, and you're going to get paid in cash and also gift cards at the same time. You're going to notice over here how it works. First of all, you're going to join for absolutely free, of course. And you're going to notice here that in the last year they have paid to their members more than 22 millions of US dollars to their members, which shows that this is a legit platform actually, and it has a lot of potential to make you a lot of money. Then you're going to start completing some surveys and you're going to earn rewards by sharing your feedbacks on products, brands, and so on. And you're going to just redeem your life points to gift cards, but also PayPal credit and much more. So you're going to see once again that you can get paid through PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, but also you can donate your money if you want to. So here you're going to notice some of the reviews from Trustpilot. You can check them out even on the website. You're going to see that they got more than 22,000 of reviews with 4.4 stars, and also this is a verified company, and it shows once again that it is a legit one. Down here we're going to notice that you can even join the LifePoints community, and they have members from over 40 countries, and as a LifePoints community member you're going to be able to complete surveys, take part in games, competitions, and also free giveaways. So I want to mention that if you want to, you can join now here on their official website, or you can even check out their app on App Store and Google Play Store. Here on Google Play Store, they got more than 100,000 of downloads and 4.5 stars with more than 15,000 of reviews. While on App Store, they got like more than 300 of ratings with 4.4 stars. So they have pretty good reviews. They've paid their members a lot of money, and I highly recommend that you give it a try. Let me proceed to the second platform for today, which is called YouGov. This is over at Google Play Store. As you can notice, they have more than 1 million of downloads, and it shows that this is a very loved app by people. And also 4.3 stars with more than 41,000 of reviews. So as I said before, they also have an app on App Store with 4.7 stars reviews out of 5, which is pretty awesome actually, and 3.2 thousands of ratings. So what you need to do over here is of course to give your opinion and get paid, because this is an app that puts the power of participation in your hands wherever you go. You can earn points by answering interesting surveys, and you're going to redeem your prizes within the app. So as you can see, you can answer daily questions, you're going to earn points that you can redeem for rewards, and you can even get paid through bank transfer if you notice over here. So this was the second platform for today. I'm going to proceed to the third one, which is called Survey Time. This is over at surveytime.io. You can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. So you're going to sign up with your Google account or Facebook account if you want to, because you can do that manually, because you can do that automatically with one click of a button, or you can do this manually if you want to by putting your email address over here, a password, agree to terms of service, and click on the start now. Also, your surveys will be sent to the email that you are going to put here. So you're going to notice that they have some reviews from Trustpilot. You can also check them out by yourself, but also the payment methods. They offer PayPal cash, also cryptocurrency through Coinbase, Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, and you can just scroll down to see how it works. First of all, you're going going to sign up for survey time for absolutely free, and then you're going to tell them about yourself, and you're going to take a short introductory survey. In this short introductory survey, you're going to just give some information about yourself so they can know more about you, and they're going to send you some surveys that suit you the best. You're going to also see that you can start earning cash for surveys immediately. So once you complete the survey, you're going to cash out that $1. So they have no withdrawal threshold, and there are surveys just for you. They match their surveys to your interest, just like I said before. That's why you need to take that introductory survey. So you can never miss a survey actually, because they update you and they notify you whenever a new survey is up. So you don't need to go over to the app and search anytime if there are new surveys, because they are going to notify you for that. They pay you through different payment methods, just like we mentioned before, and it is worldwide available, so you can get paid from anywhere in the world. Once you reach $1, once you complete the survey, you can just cash out. You're going to see that they also offer an affiliate program. You can check it out by clicking on affiliates over here. You're going to see that it is called Ambassador Program here, and you need to apply to it by putting an email address, full name, your Skype username, and click on continue. In this way, you'll be able to just promote survey time to people that you think that they're going to be interested, and you can bring new members over here, and you're going to get paid again and again, and also in passive income whenever you bring new members over here. You can mention their reviews on Trustpilot with 4.5 stars, also the monthly payment methods, and so on, in order for you to get the most customers. So I'm going to proceed right now to the last platform for today, which is called the Price Rebel, and this is over at pricerebel.com. As you can see, even with this platform, you can take paid surveys and you can make money online. Of course, you can get free PayPal cash and gift cards from iTunes, Amazon, Visa, eBay, and so on. And you can start for absolutely free by signing up with your Facebook or Google account, or you can do this manually by putting a first name, last name, email address, a password, and click on start making money. Let's see how it works. Once you sign up for absolutely free, you're going to give your opinions, you're going to complete surveys or easy offers, and you're going to get some points. Once you accumulate those points, you can just redeem them for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. So you can even check out these free rewards down here, and these are some testimonials from people that have received their reward. You're going to also notice that this platform has been around since 2007, which shows that this is a legit platform, because most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time. They have been featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, and so on. So if you want to, you can just see the reviews over at these websites. So this was the last platform for today, and I highly recommend that you combine all of this one in order to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you like, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also share this video with your friends so you can help them too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on, so I'm going to get you notified each time a new video is going to be uploaded. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial on how to make money online.